Hi, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to unsync your Google account from your Android phone. So if you don't want to synchronize your activity on your phone into your Google account, follow these steps. So first you have to find your settings. I will find my settings and then I will find the accounts. Here you can see this is the Google account over here. So I can click that Google. Oops, I mean not that one, but this account and sync. Okay, this is we're setting the account and synchronizing, and then here you can click this Google, and then here all listed the email that I log on to this one. For example, I want to delay unsync this email, so make sure you uncheck all of this to make your Google account doesn't sync to your phone. Okay, that is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's it, please click thanks button below. We will appreciate that. Uh, Whatever money you send us, it will be appreciate us, appreciate me and my team. Thank you. Bye bye.